Hello and welcome everyone. Today we discuss rectangle type 2. Okay, counting of rectangle. You are given a particular figure like that and you are asked to count the number of total rectangles. So in type 1 we already discussed when row equal to column, then when row is equal to column in that figure, then how we calculate the number of rectangles. But in that figure, if you count the number of columns and number of rows, that these are not equal. Like 1, 2, 3. Here are 3 rows. But 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns. So, if the number of rows and the number of columns are not equal, then the tricks we discussed in part 1 will be not applicable. In part 1, when the number of rows and number of columns are equal, we just cube them, we just calculate the cube of that number and just add them. But these tricks is not applicable here, because here the number of rows and the number of columns are not equal. So how we calculate the number of rectangles in that figure? So nothing much, just add the numbers. So 3, 2, 5, 1 plus 2, 3 and 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6 and 4, 3, 7, 2, 9, 10. Okay, so the sum of these numbers are 10, the sum of these numbers are 6. Just multiply that number. 10 into 6, 16. 16 is the correct answer. So what is the tricks? Tricks is just add the rows, just add the columns. Actually, just add the number of rows. Just add the number of rows, just add the number of columns. Number of columns. And then multiply the number which you get after adding them. Okay, so what is the number of rectangles in that figure? Just count the rows and columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So like look the number of rows is 8. Number of rows is 8, but number of columns is 7. Okay, so add them. 13, 28. 28 is the summation of the columns. And 28, if you add 28 plus 8, 36. 36 is the summation of the numbers of rows. So just multiply 36 and 28. 1008. So total number of rectangles 1008. So just remember the small rule. Just add the numbers of rows. Just add the number of rows. Just add the number of columns, and then multiply the numbers of the of two numbers which you get after adding the rows and the columns. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe and share my channel, and if you really like these videos, then please share and like my videos. Okay, have a good day.